Okay, I met Emilia Clarke. I'm so excited again! If I think about it again, I'm gonna cry. Okay guys, so this is story time with Roxy! In this series of videos, I just share with you an experience that I had, and this experience was amazing, fantastic. I'm too excited. I am too excited. So basically, I met Emilia Clarke, and now I'm gonna tell you how I met her. This is how it went down. Basically, I don't know if you guys know, but I am friends. I mean, for me, they're my friends. I don't know if I am their friend, but anyway, I'm in contact with Hot Topic. Hot Topic is a brand that I really love and always loved. And basically, they make clothes and accessories inspired by pop culture stuff and music bands. And one of their collection is Star Wars! And you know guys that I love Star Wars. I made a lot of videos about Star Wars. I love Star Wars. I'm a Star Wars fan. So anyway, I always loved Hot Topic, and now we're kind of friends in contact or whatever. And just wisdom with Roxy, I need to remind you guys that if you have a goal, you can do it. Because if I can do stuff, you guys can do it too. Now I'm in contact with Hot Topic, which is one of my favorite brands forever, and it's crazy. But remember, I started this YouTube channel. I didn't have a camera, I didn't know how to edit, I didn't know how to film, I didn't know anything about lighting, I didn't know any of this. I didn't know anybody in this industry. I still don't know anybody. I never had a manager, an agency, I don't know what they do. I did everything by myself. I didn't study this, so I learned what I had to learn, and I keep improving. So if I did it, you guys can do it. Done with the inspirational thoughts. Anyway, so Hot Topic contacted me, and they sent me an email. Actually, they sent me an email on my old email that I never checked, so it was super the secret that I saw this email. Anyway, in this email, they gave me a lot of info I wasn't ready for, because they were like, so we have tickets for this Solo, a Star Wars story premiere, and we were wondering if you wanted to go. And I was like, so they were like, also, we were wondering if you want to do the Instagram takeover. Also, we wanna dress you, which is awesome because I didn't want to think about also my dress and stuff like that. And then they also told me that I would be on the red carpet. So I basically lost it for a few minutes, and then I said yes to everything. PS, please use my other email because I never checked this one. Anyway, I said yes, and then the day before I was panicking. I was about to have a mental breakdown because I only did once an Instagram takeover, which is when you basically take over another account, and I was very nervous because I really wanted to do it right. And also I started thinking that I would see the cast of the movie, and I was freaking out. It was too much. I was overwhelmed. The day of the premiere arrives, and I go there, we get the pass, and then we go to the red carpet. So it works like this. There are two sides, and there is a red carpet. Okay, so once I went to the right side, and also there was a Millennium Falcon, like it was enormous. I don't know if that's the real scale of the ship, but it was incredible. It was crazy. So I'm on the red carpet. And on the red carpet, right, there are 3 levels. So you can be on the floor level, on a little step, on the other step, okay? So I decided to be on the floor level because I wanted to be the closest possible to the red carpet. Because maybe from the upper levels, you see the pictures are better, but I really wanted to see the stars super close. Also, I wanted to have the opportunity to stop somebody, and especially Emilia Clarke. At this point, I start thinking, man, if I can take a picture with Emilia Clarke, I'll be happy forever. Like basically, I was thinking, what is that one thing that if it happens now, I would just like freak out. And I was like, you know what, I'm excited to see the whole cast and everything, but if I can just take a picture with Emilia, my BFF, I would die. Also, if you don't know who Emilia Clarke is, I would be surprised, but she is Kira in the Solo a Star Wars story, so in this new movie, and she's also Daenerys in Game of Thrones, which I'm also a fan. And it was funny because one of my friends on Facebook, when I posted a picture, she was like, "Who's that?" And I was like, "Daenerys Stormborn of the House Targaryen, first of her name, the Unburned, Queen of the Andals and the First Man, Khaleesi of the Great Grass Sea, Breaker of Chains, and Mother of Dragons." Only people who watch Game of Thrones will get this, but anyway, it was funny. Okay, so I'm on the red carpet and the stars start coming. Actually, first cosplayers start coming. So people in costume, and I see a person dressed as Chewie. And then the real Chewie arrives in the costume, right? And then we saw the actor inside the Chewie costume, but in his human form, right? And then we saw the original Chewbacca. Because also there were like actors from the original movies and then new people. It was like a mix, okay? George Lucas arrived, Ron, who is the new director, and then there was Ewan McGregor, who is Obi-Wan, well, young Obi-Wan, and then Paul, and then the protagonists arrived, okay? And I'm losing my mind because Alden arrives and I take a picture of him, but not with him, okay? I just take a picture of him. Because also, so the stars, they have to choose which side to go, right? Not everybody goes to one side and then does the other side as well, right? They usually just zigzag or they choose one side and that's it. And they don't stop to talk to everybody because it's too many people, okay? I'm like, okay, I'm just taking pictures, and so Alden is there, fantastic, I take a picture. And then Donald Glover is there, and I take a picture. And now I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm only missing Emilia, okay? And I have to make a decision because I cannot film and Snapchat and take a picture and take a selfie with her, right? I have to choose because once I choose that it's a selfie, okay, I'm not filming, and then if she doesn't stop by me, I might lose the opportunity to take a picture of her too, or film her. So I was like, I need to make a decision, whatever. I was like, listen, I want to take a selfie with her, so I'm just gonna risk it. I don't care. So she arrives, okay? She's far away, and I'm ready with Snow, which is an app. It's kind of like Snapchat. It makes you super pretty. So I'm already like this. She's far away. I'm already like this in the camera, and then she sees me and she comes and she poses with me, and this is the picture! And I also have the live video, look. Guys, I can't believe this happened to me. I'm still in disbelief. Like, I literally hold my breath to check if it was a dream. Because if you want to check if it's a dream, you can just hold your breath, because you can't hold your breath while you're dreaming. Anyway, I was shook. I was overwhelmed. I was crying. I was shaking, and I was shaking for 30 minutes. Like, I don't know what happened after. Like, literally, she took a picture with me, and then she went to the other side, and then I don't remember anything for 30 minutes. I don't know if other people arrived, I don't know. And then, actually then, a person told her manager, or the person who was with her, because there was a girl on my side but ahead that was dressed as Kira, right? And so they told her to tell Emilia to come back because this person was dressed as her and she really wanted to meet her. So she came back and took a picture with her, and she was super nice. She's super nice. Also, guys, I learned something. Red carpet stuff is overwhelming. It's overwhelming for them too, because it's literally like they're trying to go from point A to point B and everybody's screaming at them. Like, literally in their faces. They're like that. And it's crazy, but she was incredibly graceful and calm and collected and pretty and smiling, even though people were literally screaming at her face. Maybe me included. I lost it, guys. I lost it. She's super pretty. She's too pretty. She's so pretty that it's unfair for humanity that she's so pretty. Like, it's unfair that somebody can be this pretty on screen and also this pretty in real life. After these 30 minutes of I don't know what happened, they made us the premiere of the movie. Okay, and so we went there, and it was super funny because on our way there, there was Paul. He was just walking around like alone, and in fact I took a Snapchat of him. And then we watched the movie, and the movie is amazing, guys. I'm so excited. The movie is amazing. You have to watch it, and that's it. This is my story of how I met Emilia Clarke. It was amazing. And I also want to thank you guys, because if it wasn't for you, I could not be doing this stuff, and I'm serious, especially because when I was trying to get noticed by Hot Topic, you guys helped me a lot, especially on Instagram, because I told you that I really like this brand, and you guys went there, left comments, likes, messages, and stuff like that, and I think they noticed me because of you. So thank you so much, and it was an incredible experience. Let me know if you wanna see more stories like this. And that's it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys when I count down. Bye!
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.